variable, which is var. But this way of creating variable have one problem. This is because it is not block scoping. It is easily affected by another code, but without any errors. Let's take this as an example. We create a variable age is equal to 13, and then we set if this is true. Then we let another variable age is equal to 98, and then we print out the inside age, and then we print out the outside age. We may assume the outside age should be 13, however, you can see this is already affected by another declaration, which is here. But we may not notice because there is no error and the age already changed to 98. In ES6, we have two other declaration methods, which is let and also constant. Let's change the above to be let. And as you can see, since let is a block scoping method, so even though the age is 98 inside here, but the age is still keeping the same, is 13 at the outside. Now this time let's talk about constant. Constant is something that after you decorate the variable, you cannot change the data type. For example, we let the constant user as an object, and then we set the user is equal to 13. It will have an error that it is a type error assignment to constant variable. But this does not mean that we cannot change the property. For example, we can add a name to the user. For example, user.name is equal to Mike, and then we try to print out the user, and you will see it contains the name Mike inside the object. We can also do it inside an array. For example, we create an array which already contains orange, and then you push another fruit which is apple, and then you print out the array. Now as you can see, the array contains two strings here. So this is the difference between var, let, and constant.